how to find the best and available promo codes for Godaddy website, and then how can you simply get discount on the checkout payment page on the Godaddy. For this, I will show you some of the best promo codes from the best website. On Google Chrome, simply click on the coupon follow website and then search for Godaddy coupon codes. As on the home screen, you can see the first coupon for 10% off, and the second coupon is for 30% off. Third is also for 30%, then 35%, and then 20%. So these are top 5 and the best available promo codes here. Now, how can you get a promo code available? Here on the blue option, the blue thing that is show coupon code, simply click on that. And now it will show you a QR code that is ABC0347841. Copy this QR from here, like a promo code from here, and then go to the checkout payment page of your Godaddy and then paste it there. Then you will get discount as mentioned in this QR code. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.